In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open clock and tap on alarms at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finish, click on days of the week you wish to set up and scroll to tap on label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Hit OK. Tap on this switcher next to alarm report to switch it on or off and click on ringtone. Now you can click on add new, pick any song from your smartphone and apply it, or select one of those sounds instead. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable it. Click on set as group if you wish to add this alarm to already existing one. And last but not least, to save it, hit OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to and hit OK. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it. Sorry, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete, then click on it and hit OK at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!